Hey guys, it's Abby, your HBIC here at Smartass Sass, and I'm here to show you what was in our February 2021 box. All right, so this month's theme was Make Today Your Bitch. We had so much fun with it. So every month you're gonna get an insert that comes in the box. It's a little booklet and it shows you everything that you're getting, who made it, where you can get more of their stuff, how you can find them on social, all that fun stuff. And then we have exclusive coupon codes that you can use in their shop and our shop to get extra discounts. All right, so first up, we have this month's item that matches the theme. So Make Today Your Bitch. It's this insulated water bottle. It is 16 ounces. It has like a white speckled, campfire design. I love these so much. I use it every day. I actually have 2 of them. So double wall insulated. We recommend that you do not put it in the dishwasher with insulated, vacuum sealed insulated things. The dishwasher breaks that seal, so it'll still keep things hot and cold, just not as nicely as if you hand wash it. So Make Today Your Bitch. And this was made by us, Smartass Sass. Okay, next we have this room spray. This is from the burlap bag, and it's a custom name called Slay Spray. The scent it has a few different things in it, but it's a citrus base, and it is 2 ounces. And it matches they have a line, a scent called The Best Smell Ever, and that's what this is, it matches that. So Slay Spray. It's very refreshing, which is what you want in a room spray, I think. Okay, next we have another item from S&S. So Make Today Your Bitch, we had a little bit of a office or desk vibe with some of the items. So we made this custom desk sign. Obviously could go on a desk, could also go on a bookshelf or something like that. So it says Boss Lady Vibes. And the other thing I really like about this is that you can take this out, and if you have a different one that you want to swap, you can customize it and make it your own, obviously. But there's that. And it's just a silver metal and then a blue acrylic. Okay, next we have, let's see, a vendor item. This is from Cake Face Soaping. It is dirty hair dust, so it's dry shampoo, but it's a powder. And I'm not gonna open it because I'll make a mess, but you, just pop this in and then you can use the little shaker. But why we love this product is my hair is a little bit lighter, so I don't have this problem, but with darker hair, sometimes you use dry shampoo and it just leaves you looking, gray, or it just leaves kind of a residue on your roots. And we did not experience that with this. It blends in really nicely and works for dark hair. So dirty hair dust, and this is a 2-ounce container, and also really fun packaging. Okay, next up we have a lunch tote that we designed here at S&S. So I'll zoom in first and show you the design. It says good food, good mood, obviously. It has this fun pattern. So this has a strap that is adjustable to be obviously this length or much longer, so you can cross body if you want to. It also has a little handle here, and then I'll show you the inside, but it is insulated, of course. So yeah, really good size. It's 8 by 8 by 4, I believe, and then it also has a pocket on the back for silverware, napkins, stuff like that. And then the handle has clips to go off and on. Lunch bag. Okay, next up we have a vendor item from Fringe Studio. So this is just the box, but it says, if you need me, I'll be over here being a badass. So it comes in this really cute giftable box. Let me get this out of here. So it's a little ceramic tray. So it could be a ring tray, a key tray, something like that. But it has this gorgeous gold design on it. And it's a little bit bigger than 4 by 4 is the size. So there's that, Fringe Studio. Okay, and then the last box item So every month we have a like collectible item, if you want to call it that, that is in all of the boxes, but then it is also in anyone who subscribes to just the t-shirt is gonna get this special bonus item as well. So that's what this was. So this month it was these bend and snap hair ties inspired by Elle Woods herself. So a set of 2 hair ties in these really fun colors. And what I love about these is that my hair isn't super thick, but a couple of our fellow team members have really thick hair. And so these are a really big band, a really stretchy wide band. So it works for thicker hair, which has got to be such a struggle to find hair ties that just go around your hair more than once. So there are those. And then last up we have this month's shirt. So this is a Bella and Canvas shirt. Of course, you can subscribe to just the t-shirt, just the box, or the big box, which includes all of the above. But this month's shirt is this blue color that says Mad Hustle on it. Super cute. I believe this is Heather Columbia blue is what they call it. And this is an extra small that I'm holding, I think. Yep. So they're unisex sizing. And last month we had switched to a different t-shirt. We just had some issues with finding stock of the Bella and Canvas. So this month we were back to the Bella and Canvas. So double check the sizing if you go to order one, but it is back to our standard unisex sizing. So that was everything for February. We do have some extras left, so I will share those links, and then you can still sign up for March until March 13th, unless we've sold out. And then for April, you can sign up by April 12th. If you have any questions, you can always email us. Our email is info@smartassandsass.com. Thanks.